Hi! In front of me is Hafury GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down to access About Phone section. Now tap on Device Name under Wireless Update and type in wherever you wish to. When you finish, click on OK in the pop-up and then OK in the other one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!